When talking about fire ants, there's two ways to control them or attack them. The first one would be to use a granular bait. Now, using a granular bait, it's a great option for a homeowner or a do-it-yourselfer because you can pick it up at your local retail stores. And you're basically gonna be attacking the mound right at its source. You're not gonna be getting the fire ants on your entire property. You're just gonna be sprinkling a little bit on top of the mound and again, eliminating that actual mound. The other way to control fire ants, which you're gonna have to hire a professional company like Weedex Lawn Care to help control them, is going to be a broadcast granular systemic control. So we're not just attacking the mound itself, the one that you can visually see, we're putting down a barrier of control on your entire property and your landscape beds to help control fire ant mounds or fire ants in general for a seasoned control. It usually controls fire ants up to a year. If you get fire ants on your lawn at Weedex Lawn Care, we'll come back out within that year period to control these nuisance pests. So again, for long-lasting control, make sure that you're using a product that's gonna give you systemic control. Now with these systemic control products, they are water activated, so you need to make sure that after the treatment that we apply, that you water it in. Don't let fire ants hinder your outdoor activities. Don't let them spoil your weekend events, your barbecues. Don't let them spoil your time you get to spend with your kids outside on the weekends. So if fire ants are causing you an issue on your home property, give us a call today and we can get right out to get your yard fire ant free.